What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. It's bounced back rather quickly. We're already at $3.20. We're down about 4%. We're sitting on a market cap of 8.04 billion, 24-hour volume 2.02 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards for a free Spotify and Netflix cashback in crypto, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we went through our correction with Bitcoin and we had Fantom wick down here to this previous swing low. Just going to drop a line in here. You can see we had some resistance in this area pretty close to a previous swing low. So we wicked down to about $2.50. Now the trading strategy that I use is dollar cost averaging on low leverage, usually 3 to 4x. 3x is the safest in my opinion. It gives room for a 30% drop, and then when your buy zones get hit, that also drops your liquidation price. So I got entered into my trade right here, and then Fantom wicked down. It hit my buy zone, dropping my average price, dropping my liquidation price. And when we shot back up, I was in profits much quicker than if I were to just be trading a breakout or even trying to perfectly time the bounce here for Fantom. So I'll try to drop in these buy zones more often in my videos. I know that really helps a lot of you as traders. Now, of course, you don't have to use it. It's not financial advice, guys. It's just the way that I trade. So I thought I would share it. So we bounced back really quickly, guys. We wicked down, and you can see here we saw a little bit of consolidation. Bitcoin saw just a little bit of green here, and we bounced right back up for Fantom. About a 13% gain. So the ideal situation here is that we consolidate here, we hold the EMAs, we break out, we break this previous high, we have a bit of a bull pennant here, and we head up to 373. If we look at Fantom here on the daily, we're above the 1.618. So it would be beautiful if we can stay above $3.05. And you can see we wicked right down to the 20 EMA. So if we consolidate, we allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. You can see here we got overextended, came back to the 20. So now we got a little bit overextended. We may come back down to the 20. Now if we do lose 305, I think it's likely that we'll see some consolidation. But if Bitcoin were to sell off, let's say Bitcoin goes to 54K, that's when you'll see Fantom come down to $2.60 and find support along the 20 EMA. I quickly just want to show you guys something here with Bitcoin. We have a bit of a bear flag going on, but there's also a bullish reversal pattern, which is a falling wedge. So a couple of patterns to keep an eye on here. You can see here we've come down to the level of support here from our falling wedge. So what I'm looking for is a double bottom. We roll over, we create a double bottom, boom, we break out back to the upside, and we head up to our technical target, which is our all-time high at about 67K. But guys, if this bear flag were to play out, I think it's a little bit more unlikely. Could bring Bitcoin down here to about 55K. So it is a possibility. I don't think it's a likely scenario in my opinion, but it is a possibility I just want to make you guys aware of. And if we quickly look at the Bitcoin dominance, we beautifully bounced off the level of support that I had dropped in. I said the Bitcoin dominance has been selling off rather swiftly here. Eventually, we're going to find a level of support. We're going to bounce, and it's going to cause the alts to bleed. And that's exactly what happened. Came right down to the level of support I had dropped in. We bounced, and the alts started bleeding here. But I think we're going to see a quick recovery, in my opinion. Unless Bitcoin breaks this bull flag, heads down to 55K, then we'll see the alts start to come down a little bit more, and that's when we could see Fantom come back down to this level of support at 264. But as of right now, we've bounced back above the 1.618, 305. So if we can hold that level of support, we create this bull flag, or sorry, this bull pennant, we break out. Especially if we break this high, would be a really bullish sign here that we head up to 373. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin and look for that double bottom reversal pattern or a bounce back up to this level of resistance here. But if you do see us break down from this bull flag, especially if we lose the support of our falling wedge, then we will see further correction here for Bitcoin. But I don't think it's the likely scenario, right guys? So that's basically it for Fantom. What we want to see is we stay above 305, and then we can head up to the 2, coming in at about $4. And then if we do see further correction for Bitcoin, do target 260. Terrific area to get into Fantom, in my opinion. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Check out crypto.com. You can follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with my travels, as well as I post crypto related content in my story. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.